To make Rajasthani Laal Maas, first we need to prepare a marinade. For that we require about half cup of thick yogurt. This is for half kg of mutton curry cut. Into this I am going to add dhania powder, turmeric and jeera powder, 1 teaspoon each. Mix it well into the curd. You can, if you are making your own ginger garlic paste fresh, you can add it now to this. Once this has blended well, add the mutton pieces. Yeah, and mix it again. Mix it well to coat each and every piece. Now if you have noticed, I have not added salt to this. The reason being, salt draws out the moisture from the meat, which makes the curry dry. Ultimately when you sit down to eat, you get a dry piece of meat. There, my marinated mutton is ready. Now this should sit in the refrigerator for at least an hour. If you can keep it for overnight, nothing like it. Before we start making the curry, we need to prepare a few things. First, we need a red chili paste. Usually red chili paste is made with Kashmiri chilies, whole chilies soaked in water and ground to paste. I have a shortcut. I use red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, because we like it spicy. We take 2 heaped spoonful of chili powder, add warm water to it and make a paste. We'll add a little more. There you go. You have red chili paste. This will give the quintessential color to Laal Maas. We have the red chili paste ready. Next, we need garam masala. For that, we need to grind together, pound together 2 black cardamom, 5 to 6 cloves, a little piece of cinnamon and 5 to 6 green cardamom. We just need to crack them. We don't have to make a powder. Just a little crack will do to release the flavors. See, I have not completely crushed them. Next, we need thinly sliced onions. Make sure that they are thinly sliced. Ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, and all this is cooked in generous quantity of ghee. Remember, we have not added salt to the mutton. Now that we have everything prepared here, let's cook Laal Maas. To a heavy bottom pan, we add ghee. Let the ghee heat up. Once the ghee is hot, add your onions and saute them till they are golden brown. To speed up the process, you can add a little salt in this stage. Be patient, do it on a slow flame. Otherwise, the onions will burn. Our onions are beautifully browned. At this stage, we will add our garam masala and saute it a little till it is aromatic. Onions took about 10 minutes to be browned. There, instantly I am getting the aroma of the garam masala. At this stage, we will add ginger garlic paste. Saute it around. Lovely aroma. And to this we will add the marinated mutton pieces. Cook the mutton pieces to coat them with our ghee, onion masala, and to brown them. We need to brown the mutton pieces. This will take some time, but it's okay. Patience always pays. Let it brown. There, our mutton pieces are nicely browned. Now I will add the red chili paste. Yum! This is going to have a beautiful color. And I added hot water to the leftover marinade. I'm adding that. Mix it. Oh, it's already becoming red. Beautiful. And remember, we had not added salt in the beginning. Now we will add salt to your taste. Mix it one more time. At this stage, you can adjust the consistency of water depending on what you're going to have it with. If you're having it with say roti or paratha, this is the right consistency. But if you want a little more watery like me, because we'll have it with rice, so I'm going to add a little more hot water to it. There. And now we lock the cooker and wait for about 6 whistles. Okay, it is time for revelation. Let's open. Oh, this smells delicious. Look at all the red color. Yum! It's ready to be served. All it needs is a little adornment of hara dhania. Oh, let's taste it. I take some mutton pieces with my rice and some curry to go on the rice. And there, Laal Maas is ready.